When creating a Lazesoft bootable USB disk, you may need to choose between MBR and GPT, and between only boot partition or boot and data partition. In this video, we tested different USB layouts on Windows 10 using an 8GB USB drive and a 256GB USB drive. We checked two things: can the USB disk boot? And after booting, can the USB partition be recognized in Lazesoft File Manager? First, we tested an 8GB USB disk. With GPT plus only boot partition, the USB disk booted successfully, and the partition was recognized in File Manager. With GPT plus boot and data partition, it also booted successfully, and the data partition was recognized. Then we tested MBR. With MBR plus only boot partition, the USB disk could boot, but the partition was not recognized in File Manager. With MBR plus boot and data partition, the USB disk failed to boot, and the partition was not recognized. So for the 8GB USB disk, GPT worked better than MBR. Next, we tested a 256GB USB disk. With GPT plus boot and data partition, the USB disk booted successfully, and the partition was recognized in File Manager. With MBR plus boot and data partition, it also worked in this test. However, because the 8GB MBR test had problems, we still recommend GPT as the better choice for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Here is the simple recommendation. For 2GB to 8GB USB drives, use SuperFloppy. Just select USB flash and choose the USB drive letter, such as E or F. For 16GB to 32GB USB drives, old computer or legacy BIOS, choose MBR plus only boot partition. Modern Windows 10 11th or UEFI computer, choose GPT plus only boot partition. For 64GB to 256GB USB drives, old computer or legacy BIOS, choose MBR plus only boot partition. Modern Windows 10 11th or UEFI computer, choose GPT plus boot and data partition.